Hello everyone, welcome to CodeTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about file handling in Python. So the first function is create file. So how to create a file in Python? The function is open. So this open function will help you to create a file. You just need to specify the name of file here. Okay, so this is how you can create a file. Okay, and here you have to write the mode. Then the next step is we are going to write some content inside that file, and finally we are going to close the file. Okay, so if I run this cell, then I am getting a message that file already exists. So if file already exists, then it won't create the file. Okay, so for that reason you have to open this file in the read format. Okay, so here you will have to change the code. Instead of X, you can write R to open the file in the read mode. Okay, but we want to create a new file. Then what I'll do here, I will just add one more letter, that is 1, and now if I run this, then the new file is created. Now this is the operation to create a file. Okay, so open in brackets, you have to provide the name of file. If you can also provide the path here, entire path here, then you have to provide the specific code for that, and then file.write. Write here whatever you want to put in your file, and then close the file. For example, if I want to add more content to this file, then I can also do that, but we will see it in the later stages. Okay, so this is how you can create a file. Now I have created a file. Now the next thing is I want to read the file. Okay, so now I have two files, CodeTube and CodeTube1. Okay, so this file we just created. So if I want to read this file, what I'll do here, I'll write 1 and I'll just run this cell, and this is the content which I wrote in my file. Okay, so to read the file, first of all you have to open the file and in the read mode. Okay, R stands for read mode. So this is how you can open the file in the read mode, and the function is file dot read. So this read function will return the entire text in the file. Okay, for example, if we want to just read some characters, not the entire content, then you can specify the number here. Like for example, if I write file dot read in brackets 2, then it will just read the first two letters, which is H and I. Okay, the next thing is readline function. Like for example, if you want to read the context in the file line by line, then readline function is used. So again, to read the file, we have to open the file in the read format. Okay, so that's why R, open, and then file.readline function will give us the first line. And if I want to read the second line, then again I will have to write file.readline. Okay, so if I run this cell, then I am getting this data. Now if you have lots of text in your file, then you can also use a loop. Like for example, just open the file in the read format, then create a for loop for D in file. Just create a D in this file and just loop it, and then this print D will print all the data in the file. Let's say for example, if you want to do some processing on the text inside the file, letter by letter or by word, then you can use this and you can process it. Okay, so this is what we are getting. So this is another way to read the text using the loop. Now it's very important to close the file. Okay, so this file.close function will help you to close the file so as to complete the operation. So always close the file using the function file.close. Now this is just a demo. Like here I am opening the CSV file. So if I run this, then this file is open in the read mode, and again if I want to read some characters in the file, then I can write like this, print file dot read. Okay, so these are the results in my CSV file. Okay, the next is like if you want to add more and more data to your file, then you have to open the file in the write mode. W stands for write mode, R stands for read mode. Okay, so open the file in the W format and just type in whatever you want in this format, like file.write, and within this you can add the data whatever you want to add in your file. Okay, and then close the file. Okay, you cannot directly read the file after writing it immediately. You have to close the file and then again open the file in the read format to read whatever contents you have pasted there. So I am adding one more line like this. So I'll write, thanks for watching, please subscribe. Okay, so I want to add this line. So just run this and see, thanks for watching, please subscribe. Now here you will see the difference that the previous data was erased. Why it was erased? Because I opened the file in the W mode. So W mode will generally override all the contents inside the file, and A will append the context. Okay, so if I write here A, and now if I add more content to this file, let's say if I add welcome to my channel. Okay, and now if I run this, then you can see that this content is appended. Okay, so this content is basically appended. One more line is appended. Okay, so this is how you can write content in the file. The next is finally delete. To delete the file, you have to import the module which is known as OS, operating system module. Okay, so OS module, and then you have to trigger a command os.remove, and here just mention the name of file whichever you want to remove. Here my file exists in the same folder where my code lies, that's why I don't need to provide a path here. But in case if your file is in some another folder, then just provide the proper path also. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching.